At RegAgro, we just recently launched our new product, which is the Smart Gates. And here we go. Today we're going to demonstrate to you what is inside the packages of the Smart Gates and how easy and quick the installation can be. So first of all, we have the main and the biggest package with the frame and all the accessories. And here we have the main part, which are antennas, which allow us to detect the ear tags. Inside of every package with antennas, you have the antenna itself. And also here we have the cables which are needed to connect the antennas between them to the main base station. Inside the package with the frame, we have the packages for the accessories to adjust the parts between themselves. So this is the first part, and another package we have the accessories for fixing the antennas to the frame. And also we have the package with the base station, which is the main part to adjust the Smart Gates.
First, remove all components from the box and lay them out in a convenient manner for assembly. The package should include 2 base legs, 4 side posts, 2 short top crossbars, 1 long top crossbar, and 2 top end caps. The kit also includes antenna mounting brackets, a reader mounting bracket, and 4 cables of different lengths ranging from the longest to the shortest. Now let's prepare the mounting brackets. Take the side antenna bracket. It is wider than the top brackets and consists of 2 parts. We will need the part with the antenna mounting holes. Feed the longest cable through this bracket. This bracket will be installed furthest from the reader, so the cable must run through the entire frame. Next, take the first top bracket and feed the second longest cable through it. Repeat the same process with the second top bracket. Now take the reader bracket and feed the shortest cable through it. Set all prepared brackets aside. Prepare the bolts and hardware for assembly. Now let's move on to the antennas. Install the mounting brackets on all 4 antennas and securely fasten them with bolts. The antennas are now ready for installation. 2 antennas will be mounted on the sides of the gate, and 2 will be mounted on the top. It does not matter which antennas are installed on the top or on the sides. Now we can begin assembling the frame. Start with the side furthest from the reader. Take 2 side posts and connect them vertically. Then take the prepared side bracket with the longest cable. Feed the free end of the cable through the upper opening of the post in the direction of the future reader location. Install the bracket between the upper and lower posts and secure it using 2 long bolts. Please note, the antenna mounting holes must face inward toward the center of the gate. Now take a short top crossbar and feed the same cable through it. Connect the crossbar to the side post using the corner brackets. Each upper corner uses 2 corner brackets, one on the top and one on the bottom. Secure them with the supplied bolts. Next, take the top bracket, which is narrower than the side bracket, with the prepared cable and position it at the joint between the short and long top crossbars. The antenna mounting side of the bracket must face inward. Leave a small portion of the cable exposed so it can later be connected to the antenna. Now, take the long top crossbar. Starting from the end with the half opening designed for cable routing, feed the cables through the crossbar. Join the crossbars together and secure them with bolts. Install the second top bracket and the remaining short top crossbar in the same manner. At this point, the entire top section of the gate and the far side post are fully assembled. Now move to the side where the reader will be installed. Take the upper section of the side post and route all 3 cables coming from the top section of the frame through it. For convenience, temporarily pull the cables upward. Connect the side post to the top section of the frame. Route all cables down through the inside of the post toward the reader location, then pull them out through the upper opening of the side post. Secure the top and side frame sections together using corner brackets, just as you did on the opposite side. Now take the remaining side bracket. This bracket is different from the others because it includes a mounting platform for the reader. The shortest cable should already be routed through this bracket. Feed the cable into the side post and then route all 4 cables through the second part of the bracket on the reader side. Install the bracket between the upper and lower sections of the post. The reader mounting platform must face outward. The antenna mounting holes must face inward toward the center of the gate. Install the lower section of the side post and secure all connections with bolts. The frame assembly is now complete. Next, install the base legs. Position the legs parallel to the frame. Lift the frame and insert it fully into the legs. Apply light downward pressure to ensure the frame is seated completely. No bolts are required to secure the frame to the legs as the connection is designed to hold firmly in place. Now, install the antennas. Attach the antennas to the side and top brackets using the short bolts. All antennas must face inward toward the center of the gate. Once mounted, connect the cables to the antennas. Then install the top end caps. The mechanical assembly of the gate is now complete. The final step is installing the reader. Connect all cables to the reader from left to right. Please note, the order of the cables themselves is not important. What matters is following the connection sequence on the reader. Once all cables are connected, mount the reader onto its bracket and secure it in place. The reader is equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery. To recharge it, connect the reader to a power source or a power bank using the charging port. Assembly is now complete. Your RFID gate is ready for operation.
So now the installation process is done. The base station is installed and is working. All the antennas are on their place, so the 2 antennas from the top, 2 antennas from the sides. And now, in order to show how those gates are showing the counting and inventorization process, we need to use our application. All our smart devices, including smart gates, are integrated in our application, which is called RegAgro, and it helps you to manage your livestock in a proper way. To make it possible, you need either your phone or the TSD scanner, which has an Android phone integrated in it. So after we created the profile of our farm in the TSD reader, we can get all the features of this application. So in order to make these gates work, we just need to go to the activity. We can choose either inventory or exit entry tracking. What is the difference? The inventory, it will just track and count how many livestock, how many heads just went through this. no matter in which way, but they went through and it will show you which ones and how many. And when we go to entry-exit tracking, it will show you how many and which just entered the gate and how many and which just exited the gate. When we want to make the inventorization of our farm, we go to inventory, we choose the place where inventorization should be done, right? For example, we are speaking about the general herd, and then we select the reader. In our case, it's Smart Gate, and here is very important point that every gate is its unique mark ID. In our case, this ID is present on the packaging when you receive it. So this application exactly knows which smart gate it should get the information from. So here you just manually insert this address and then you can start scanning.